Today, I will show you how to add existing projects to GitHub from Visual Studio Code and how to commit and push effortlessly. Before we get started, make sure you have a GitHub account, VS Code installed, and on VS Code under Settings, Git Enabled is checked. So to get started, we drag our project folder to Visual Studio Code. I'll say don't save for now. And we'll go to Source Control, Initialize Repository. We can see that next to these files, there's this initial U there, and that stands for untracked. And that is how you know the files are not being updated with Git. Now from here, let's try to commit and push. So this is our initial commit, so I'll just type init, commit, and push. And this is giving a couple of options there. Publish to GitHub private repository or publish to GitHub public repository. And the reason why we're seeing these is because we haven't added remote repository for our project. So now let's go ahead and do that. If we click publish to GitHub public repository, files are being uploaded, and we have successfully published to GitHub. So if you go to our GitHub and we'll go to our repository, then we see that there's a new repository here called example codes. Going on to it, we can see all our files are there. Now if you were to make a change in one of our files, so maybe here I want to say my goals for the year 2022, I save it. Then the source control automatically detects that there has been a change. So what we can do is changed text. We can commit and push. Now if you go to our GitHub repository, we refresh, then there's been a change for index.html 14 seconds ago. Going into it, we can see that my goals for the year 2022 is now updated on GitHub. And that's how you add a GitHub repository to an existing project. In the next video, I'll show you how to copy an existing GitHub repository to VS Code. It's also known as cloning. If you enjoy contents like this, then make sure to like and subscribe. I have plans to make videos that will be useful for both data scientists and developers. Also, thank you so much to my 93 subscribers. Wow! I was so stoked to reach 2 digits, but we're almost at 3 digits. I can't believe it. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm loving this process of getting better as data scientists and developers together. And I've been seeing more and more comments saying they've been passing DP203, and I'm loving seeing them. Congratulations to you all. Great work on your hard work. Feel free to say hi in the comments down below saying what projects you're working on right now. Otherwise, thank you all and love you all. We got this.